Hey guys, welcome back to Dirt Hammers Off-Road Media. Today in this video we're going to show you the Safe Jack Sergeant Kit. Now this is a bottle jack system, and to me I think bottle jacks are probably some of the safer options for any kind of repairs that you may need to make on your vehicle, changing a tire, or if you're doing some service and maintenance. Now, anytime you're lifting a vehicle, there's always hazards, but you always want to be as safe as possible, and sometimes that starts with your equipment that you're using. And the Safe Jack, this is the Sergeant Kit, which is kind of in the middle of the road. They make 3 different kits. This is the Sergeant Kit, and I'll put some information down below so you can go look at the different kits. This kit comes in at like $259, and the reason I went this option is I'm familiar with bottle jacks. I've used them a lot for working on cars. The bottle jack gives me an option of quickly and easily storing my jack if I need to change one of the large tires out on the Jeep. Farm style type jacks are great. There are some safety concerns there if they're used improperly. You can definitely hurt yourself. Farm style jacks do have some recovery options, which I think a lot of people probably don't use them for the recovery type, like a come along type system. They really don't use it for that. But I didn't have many options for mounting a farm style jack. I would have had to fabricate a special bracket for my rear tire carrier. Yeah, that's fun, but something I didn't want to spend time doing. I'm not sure if I wanted the jack on the hood or mounted on the side of the doors. The farm jacks look really rugged on Jeeps, and I think a lot of people, that's what they use them for. But I went with a Safe Jack because my main purpose is just to be able to service the vehicle, lift the vehicle, change a tire or a wheel out that's if I have a flat. So let's take a closer look at the Sergeant Kit and tell you what comes in it. The cool thing is it comes in a nicely sealed ammo can, which you can see there. Decal, user manual, stuff like that. Now each one of these parts came individually packaged inside the ammo can. I've already taken them out, so we're just going to take them out and show them to you. This piece here is more like you can see it's more like a cradle. This would be perfect for placing underneath your axle or a frame member for lifting the vehicle. This is an adjustable extension piece, and all these are nicely welded steel powder coated parts. An additional extension piece that's non-adjustable, another extension piece. So you got some options here for different heights depending on how tall the vehicle is, size tires. This is a handy little piece. This is it's flat on the top. You could actually use this for some vehicle service, skid plates, things like that, to help support them, taking them off or putting them on. So that's a pretty handy little piece. And then you got the Omega 6-ton bottle jack. Also in here you're going to have your handle. Got the handle. And then you got a little collar piece. This little collar piece, once you raise the jack up, this collar piece will slip on here, then that allows you to run all these different attachments. So we're going to do a quick demonstration. I'm just going to go ahead and put this underneath the Jeep, and we'll jack up the Jeep and just show you real quickly how it works and which components I use to do that with. So stick around. Okay, so what we're using the smallest extension with the axle frame member cradle piece, and we're running a Jeep with 35-inch tires. Let me go ahead and tighten that up. So if you're running a Jeep with taller tires, 37s, 40s, things like that, so you would have to adjust your extension piece accordingly, or if you're going to one of the frame members that's taller up, you can use a different extension piece. So let's go ahead and this is what I like about bottle jacks, is it's just a nice hydraulic jack. Slow and steady. There's no ratcheting mechanisms springs, anything like that to increase the risk concerns. And we almost got the tire off. Yep, tire's off the ground right there. So that's pretty simple and straightforward, and it's easy to do. Go ahead and lower it back down. That is the safe jack. There's plenty of other uses for this. Hopefully I don't find out all of them, but definitely going to be a good tool to have in the Jeep or in the driveway. Just depends on what you're doing, but perfect for servicing the vehicle. They do make some other accessories for this that I may look at getting. They do make an accessory where the jack actually is mounted to a plate, and then that plate is locked into a larger platform with handles to stabilize it. I've seen a lot of guys with bottle jacks. They usually keep a nice square piece of plywood and a couple boards maybe as well to use with bottle jacks just to stabilize them. A couple options there, and also Safe Jack. If you have a farm style jack, Safe Jack does offer some accessories for those. They got stabilizer chains and platforms, things like that. So some different other recovery gear. So check out Safe Jack, and I'll put that information down below. But make sure you like the video. I would love to hear what you're using for service and repairs for your Jeep or vehicle to lift them, whether you're out on the trail or in your driveway. So leave that information below, and thanks for watching.